So you came here wondering how to place your hook on beat? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in like 5 seconds. So, okay, so first look where the track is, and then above it you see 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. It may not be like that on yours, depending on, I guess, your BPM. So I'm going to go to 9 where my hook is, and I'm just going to slice right there. And now that I've sliced there, I can copy everything going forward. You don't want to copy this in the back. You just want to copy all the stuff that's going forward, like this. Now you can copy it and say your hook is at, your next hook is at 33. Well, I'm just going to paste it there, and then I'm going to add the rest that was in the back. And boom, you've done it. So now I'm just going to have y'all listen to it so that you don't think I'm pulling your leg or anything.
I told my little bitch to hold up, right now I'm on the road. Police get behind me, I drive this bitch fast as it goes. I'm straight with the walk, she mad at me because I won't drive the boat. Been doing this shit for too long, they thought I was slow.
Alright, so that's that one. And the one that I've placed at 33 wouldn't actually be the hook in a normal song because there's not enough space for a verse. But since the beat is basically the same all around, it works, and I'll show you why right now. So,
Hey, 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 I told my little bitch to hold up, right now I'm on the road. Police get behind me, I drive this bitch fast as it goes. I'm straight with the walk, she mad at me because I won't drive the boat. Been doing this shit for too long, they thought I was slow.
and there you go. That's exactly how you do it. Hopefully this guide helped you guys a little bit. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.